Hi, everybody. Hopefully, this works this time. I am screencasting to show you a couple of things that we might need to know over the next several weeks. So, I logged in as one of your classmates right now. I am Angelina. So, hi, Angelina. I'm you for right now. Um, I went onto Angelina's Schoology page and I just want to point out a couple of things. So, hopefully, you can see the screen right now that I am on. It is the home page, it's where you'll see updates. So, a couple of things that I want to point out. Um, Check each day for updates and any notes from me. They'll be here right from course 1A in the recent activity. You can also go to the course dashboard. And when you select course 1A, seems to be moving a little bit slowly right now. But when you get into course 1A, the top folder that you see is agendas. And each day I will post our daily assignments on agendas. Looks like I lost the webcam. So all you have to do is select the folder and scroll down to the correct date. So we are in March. And today is the 16th of March. So when I select that page, everything for today is listed under homework. There is nothing in content because that's usually what we would complete in class. So I tried to link as much of it as possible. However, you've been doing this all year. A lot of these things you'll know exactly where to go. For whole class reading, you know that that's part of ELA. So when you go into the ELA course, I've added the Revolutionary War Book Clubs folder. It's the first thing you'll see. Likewise, for writing, I added another folder right underneath the Revolutionary War Book Club books, and that's a writing choice board. And everything else you have been doing all along. So please make sure that you are reading. For example, on social studies, there's a whole packet of Road to Revolution notes. But before you just click on this link, look underneath it to see exactly what it is that you're expected to do, because it's not going to be 45 pages worth of notes in just one day. So for today, it's just the first 3 pages. On page 1, it's nothing more than typing your name and the date. On page 2, it's a review of the different colonies. And on page 3, it is a very short paragraph about King George III. So that is a little bit about agendas. And now I want to draw your attention to something brand new that we are going to try this week. And that is, so if you need to ask me questions, or if you just need to connect, or for a reason that I might not be aware of. And that is something called conferences. So I've got my mouse here, and underneath the icon for this class is a button that says conferences. So when you click on conferences, as I'll do on Angelina's page, so Angelina, you won't have to do these initial steps. You click on conferences, it should ask for permission, and you are going to need to approve that. Make sure you select approve, because I don't know exactly how to get it reinstated on your computer if you deny. So when you say approve, you will be led to a screen that shows you a list of active conferences, but there are none right now because I don't have one started. My goal is to have a conference tomorrow so that we can all join in at some point within a set time, which I don't know yet. You don't have to be there for the entire time. I'll be available for an extended period of time, and you can just pop in and say hello. Maybe we can all sing happy birthday to Aiden tomorrow for his St. Patrick's Day birthday. That will be your assignment for tomorrow, is approving conferences and popping in and learning how to navigate a conference, because we'll be learning that together. If you need anything, send me a message through Schoology, ask your parent to message me through Class Dojo, or send me an email. I hope everybody's doing okay. And if you need anything at all, please make sure that you get a hold of me, and I can either help myself or send you in the right direction for you to get help from the district. Okay. All right, everybody. I will hopefully see you tomorrow in conferences. Bye.